If you ever thought to yourself, wouldn't it be nice if my Leatherman was exactly where I left it instead of where the heck did that wander off to? Well, insert this little pouch. And speaking of Leatherman, this is genuine leather. Just smell that. That smells so awesome. But other than it smells awesome, it actually is really, really, really high quality made, genuine leather. It has these side pouches right here that you can put stuff in, like if you have things on the side that you need to carry, like this razor blade right here, that if anything that has like that, or a pocket knife or anything like that, you can stick that right there. You can put your Leatherman right here in that pouch, or a pair of pliers again on the other side. And it is just simple. It's like a little mini tool belt right there, right on your hip. It comes with a really high quality, and I can't stress that enough. It is super high quality belt clip. Or if you're climbing ladders and you just need that extra security, you can throw it through a belt. You can also strap this down, or you can clip it to something if you're working on an area and you just need to clip it, then have it right there. But again, you have multiple places where you can store things. What I'm thinking is like a miniature tool belt right here. And this is perfect for camping, everyday carry. How many times are you crawling under something at your job and you're like, oh, I only realized that you had a pair of pliers, or you needed something that's like 27 feet away, right? Well, this solves that. So again, I can't stress the quality enough. It looks good, feels good, smells good. I mean, if you could smell, you would say the same thing. And I don't know, I just love the smell of leather. Oh, one other thing, last thing, is it has a dual pouch. I don't know if you guys can see that, but a big compartment and a small compartment, something snug, so that you could slide something in there as well. Maybe even a fishing gear tool. But if you've ever thought to yourself, now where did that go off to, then you might just need one of these.